Hi guys, it's me again, Miley. Welcome back to my video. Today is day 26 of my pronunciation and speaking practice. I'm going to practice two sounds. Okay, let's get started with the first sound. O. O in long sound is moved from A to U. O. O, O. And here are some words contain the sound out. No, no. Cold, cold. Post, post. Close, close. Drove, drove. Home, home. Font, phone. No, no. Low, low. Show, show. Slow, slow. Boat, boat. Toe, toe. And here are some these sentences. 1. I don't know. I don't know. My toes are cold. My toes are cold. 3. She phoned me in October. She phoned me in October. 4. They sold us their home. They sold us their home. And let's move to another sound. Ow, ow. Ow in long sound is moved from A to U. Ow, ow, ow. And here's some words contain the sound ow. How, how. Now, now. Valve, valve. Loud, loud. Mouth, mouth, mouth. Sound, sound. And here are some sentences. 1. 1,000 pounds. 1,000 pounds. 1,000 pounds. 2. Loud, vowel, sound. Loud, vowel, sound. 3. Rouse the house. Round the house. 4. Countdown 3, 2, 1, now. Countdown 3, 2, 1, down. Now. Okay, let's move to read the poem with me. A pound. I found the pound down on the ground and said, it's mine. I've got it, and looked around and hear no sound, and put it in my pocket. A letter came in the post from the coast, the one that I wanted the most. It said, don't be slow, walk through the snow, and phone me when you are close. So that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.